If you want to know where the cabin filter is on the Renault Scenic MKII, is just above the engine compartment. I'll show you here. I'll show you, but I'll show you clearly enough. See, that's the cabin filter for the just above the engine compartment. And what you do, you can just pull it out like that. It's got little handles on top. I've taken that old one out. The old one looks like this, pretty bad shape. And basically, you remove it from there, and you can pull that. I just put in the new one. It's a bit of a hard job. Then the cover goes back on, and you just to reset the cover, you just put back the tabs on top, like so. Once you put it underneath, and Bob's your uncle. I'll just show you what the filter looks like if I can get it out. I can't show you. There it is. That's the new filter I'm putting in. Basically, you can get it from eBay, about £10, and it just fits in quite nicely. So I'll just fix it in, and then got it back in. See if it's sitting nicely. And the cover goes back on that, like so. Cover goes back on. Hold on 1 minute, I have to switch this off. Once the cover's on, it should look like that. If you don't know, you can just about see it. So that's it. And just put the two tabs, twist them over, and there's a new cabin filter for your Renault. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe please. Then goodbye.